We got her about 3 days ago. It's been quite hot. Played 2 practice matches, just getting used to the conditions. We're expected to compete quite well. We have quite a young team, integrating a few new guys in. So we're just looking to compete well and try to steal a couple games.
Just basically to focus on your own game, concentrate on your personal disciplines when you're batting or bowling, and just staying up for the whole 50 overs when in the field.
Definitely playing to win. We have the team to do so, and as long as we apply ourselves, we definitely will come out on top.